This tutorial will cover class lists, a way for teachers to manage which student computers will be shown in their LanSchool Teacher Console. To understand the need for class lists, we first need to understand how LanSchool uses channels. A single channel, designated by a number, generally consists of a single teacher computer and multiple student computers. The teacher will only see student computers that are set to the same channel as the teacher. This channel is set when LanSchool is first installed on the device. If the classroom is static, like in a computer lab, the teacher and student computers will generally be set to the same channel and stay that way. However, in a more dynamic setting, like in a one-to-one environment where different students bring different devices with them into the classroom, the teacher needs a way to temporarily add those students to his or her channel so they can be managed. This is where class lists come into play. A class list contains a list of either student usernames or student computer names. When a teacher loads this list, those student devices will be temporarily set to match the teacher's channel, allowing the teacher to see and manage them from within the teacher console. When the teacher dismisses the class, those student devices will change back to the channel they were on previously. In this example, the teacher's computer is set to channel 300. Since there aren't any other student computers on that channel, the teacher console is blank. To create a new class list, click the Class List button in the toolbar and select Manage Class Lists. First, select the type of information this list will contain. You can choose to list students by their login name, their computer name, or their first and last name as it's shown in Active Directory. Click the Browse for Students button to see a list of all student computers from all channels across the entire network. Use the filter to narrow down the list of students, and select those that you wish to add to this class list, and click the Add button. If you'd like to add additional students to this list, type the appropriate name into the text field and click the Add Student Manually button. Alternatively, you can import a list of students from a CSV file. This file could be created manually, or even be an export from a student information system. When your list is complete, click the Save As button. Browse to a location where you would like to save the class list, give it a name, and click Save. Now, when you're ready to load the students into your teacher console, click the Class List button from the toolbar again, and select Load Class List. Select the list that you'd like to load, and click Open. The student computers in the list will be notified that they have been added to your channel, and you will see those student thumbnails appear in your teacher console, ready to be managed. When class is over, click the Class List button again, and select Dismiss Current Class. These student computers will then return to their default channel and will no longer be visible in the teacher console. This concludes the tutorial on creating and utilizing class lists with LanSchool. For more tutorials like this and other methods of support, please visit our website at www.lanschool.com.